Hello everyone, welcome back to the 1985 Trans Am Revival channel. In this video, we're going to take off the front sway bar. We're going to replace the bushings. We're going to replace the links. Probably going to paint it, and then we're going to put it all back together, and hopefully we'll get some better handling out of that front suspension. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I'd sure appreciate it if you would. And as always, be sure to like the video. All right, let's get started. Okay, what I have is some VFP verified proven premium chassis links, and I have 4 of them, 2 for the front, 2 for the back. Got some bushings for the front. These are 34 millimeter, should fit, hopefully. And I didn't find any red bushings for the rear, so I just went ahead and got some standard AC Delco black bushings. These are rubber, and I don't know, maybe later if I find some red ones somewhere I might put the red on, but anyway, that's what we have to work with, and so let's get at it. That's one old, crusty set of threads there. Yeah, you just gotta pray, be patient. I think it's coming loose. Notice I don't have any fancy power tools. I was born in the 50s, late 50s, so, you know, go figure. Ah, son Well, there's more than one way to skin a cat. Looks like the top just sheared off, which is fine. Okay, we're making progress now. Okay. There we go. Need a little persuasion, I guess. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Oh, that'll, yeah. Okay. There you are. All right, guys. That's it. Oh, jeez. I'm just waiting for this thing to snap like the other one did. Well, as you can see, the snapped link on the other side was a godsend. So this side is just inching its way up. It's very difficult. So I'll keep going. Oh, it's making different sounds now. That's a good sign. Okay, now, there she goes. Okay. Slick as you please. Okay, let's go ahead and get these loose. Okay, moving over to the other side, the driver's side. Okay, all I really need to do is collapse my makeshift holder, sway bar support, and that's the sway bar. Oh, gee. That's heavier than I thought. All right, the sway bar is out. Just need to clean it up. Get those old bushings off of there, and we need to clean these bolts for the bushing brackets. Of course, we have our brand new hardware for the links, so we're good to go there. All right. Okay. That came off quite easy. And this comes off even easier. Excellent. Little degreaser. The old bushings, I mean, they were probably still doing the job, but yeah, time for some new red polyurethane. Well, I didn't go crazy on the paint prep for the sway bar. I just took some Scotch-Brite and some degreaser, cleaned her up, and then primed it, painted it, and called it good. So I'm pleased with the final result, and it'll last a long time.
Forgive me, Lord, for each misguided deed, for every selfish thought and spiteful need. In ignorance I suffer, led to pain, and turn from you again and yet again. Yet in the depths where darkness shrouded light, you reach with mercy boundless, pure and right. Your hand unseen, yet felt in every breath, guided me from paths of sin and death. Forgive me, Lord, for each misguided deed, depths where darkness shrouded light. You reach with mercy, boundless, pure and bright. Your hand unseen yet felt in every breath guided me from paths of sin and death. Forgive me, Lord, for each misguided deed, for every selfish thought and spiteful need. In ignorance I sought what led to pain, and turned from you again and yet again.
All right, my friends, let me give you a little tour. These links are torqued to about 25 foot-pounds. Yeah, give or take a little bit. I just made sure that they started bulging for one, and then that's pretty much where you want to stop anyway. And then these, the bushings, sway bar bushings proper, I torqued to 20 foot-pounds. I don't know, factory may be 25, but I think it's close. They're tight, okay. And coming along, there's the other side, same way, 20 foot-pounds. And then that side is the same, 25 foot-pounds. All right, looks pretty good.
Your patience vast, outstretched beyond the sea, endured my failings ever tenderly. Each time I stumbled, fell, and lost my way, your love pursued, a beacon through the gray. Forgive me, Lord, for each misguided deed, for every selfish thought and spiteful need. In ignorance I sought what led to pain, and turned from you again and yet again. In whispered prayers I lay my sorrows bare, confessing all within your loving care. The weight of guilt, a burden I have known, you lift with mercy, claim me as your own.